Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Now, if you've got the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right, we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it. And here in this device, we've got two different options. So 1080p, which is currently applied, as you can see it is highlighted, and 720p. So all you have to do is to tap on the option Like to Use. It will be immediately highlighted, and it means that from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.